Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile.
Daddy, can I help you?
Well, I'm doing a video.
Good. I'm Conan too.
Well, what do you know about Instagram filters?
More than you. Daddy, what's with the pinky? What's with the pinky, Dad?
So, everybody loves Instagram filters, but you can only use them on Instagram, which is really annoying. I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram filters for your daily photos.
How are you going to do that?
Because you just need to edit your photo and then screenshot it.
That's a stupid way of doing it, Dad.
Why?
You lose all the quality of the photo. I have a much better way of doing it. I'll handle this, big guy. You don't need to screenshot it. Once you've edited your photo on Instagram, post it to Instagram with airplane mode on. Just turn the airplane mode on. Because airplane mode's on, it won't be able to upload. So what your phone does...
Hold on, so you're saying if I upload the photo to Instagram with airplane mode on, because it can't upload, it will just save automatically to your gallery?
Yeah, exactly. Then you can use it later.
Oh, don't touch my ear, please.
This way, you won't lose any quality.
That's genius. Right, should we show them how to do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it then.
Hello.
Okay, so according to Rain, all you have to do is edit your photo on Instagram as you normally would. I'm using a Samsung here, but this will work on iPhone as well. So once you're finished editing your photo, you just click this arrow up here to go to the description section. Now before you upload the post, swipe down and turn on airplane mode. And what this will do is this will turn off your Wi-Fi connection, your mobile data, etc. You then try and upload and it will say it will automatically post when possible. Now if you tap this, you'll get some options. Try again now, post later instead, or discard post. You want to discard the post. Once you've clicked discard post, click discard again. So what this will now do is it will automatically save the edited version of that photo to your gallery without losing any quality whatsoever. And you can use it for whatever you want after that. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you like. Well, I hope you learned something from that video. I know I did.
If you subscribe, I'll be your biggest fan. And Dad.
Yeah, me too, yeah.
If your phone is rubbish like mine...
Your phone is not rubbish, your phone costs a fortune.
No, my phone just cancelled all my games at once when I was on kids modes.
No, that was me on parenting mode, which you'll see next week.
Dad, in the future, let me handle this stuff.
Okay.
Head down to the description to find great deals on mobile phones.
Yeah, you can head on to www.businessmobiles.com and you'll get all kinds of amazing deals.
We'll find links to our Instagram account and our LinkedIn. Lots of other bits and bobs.
Well,
goodbye.
That's what I was going to say. Well, goodbye.